Southwest 2507 Long Beach Tower, wind 290 at 11, runway 30. Clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 30, Southwest 2507.
Southwest 2507, contact SoCal departure.
SoCal departure, Southwest 2507. SoCal departure, Southwest 2507, 1,400, climbing via the top, except 3,000.
Southwest 2507, SoCal, you radar contact, flighting 310 for traffic. To your left, 10 o'clock, 3 miles, 2,000 feet, type unknown, heading 310.
Heading 310, looking Southwest 2507.
Southwest 2507, flighting 330.
330, Southwest 2507.
Southwest 2507, traffic's no factor, flighting 270, climb and maintain 15,000, left turn heading 270, 15,000.
Left 270, 15, Southwest 2507.
Southwest 2507, left turn heading 210.
Left 210, Southwest 2507.
Southwest 2507, direct pipes, climb via 15,000. Southwest 2507, direct pipes, 15,000.
Direct pipes 15, Southwest 2507.
Southwest 2507, departure. Let me know when you have time for a question.
Yeah, go ahead, Southwest 2507.
When you came off on the departure end, did the tower issue traffic to you at all?
Negative, Southwest 2507.
Were you getting anything on TCAS? Because that guy was right in your face at 2,000 feet.
Once he called it out, we saw it. We didn't get an alert, but I'm sure we would have gotten it if you didn't give us the heading, Southwest 2507.
Southwest 2507, yeah, I'm going to have them look at that. I just think that it's unacceptable. That's just like basic stuff that should not be happening. It's unreal, actually. But anyway, thanks for your patience. Southwest 2507, 125.8.
Yeah, I agree with you completely. In fact, all the little traffic around Long Beach on downwind flying right over us, it's uncomfortable to say the least. So thank you for your help. Appreciate you.
You know what? You guys should fill out an ASA then, because I'm going to fill out a report, because this guy, whoever it is, 78 Bravo, he's hanging out right at the departure at 1,900 feet, and the tower's just saying clear for takeoff, and nothing. It's just unreal. It's unreal.
Okay, I will. Thank you again.